enterprise has always looked at ways to provide itself more efficiency internally and externally. We repair roughly 1 million cars a year, and so we're always looking for ways to bring efficiency to that repair process.
What we are doing today, no one else is doing in the marketplace. What we are building for the claims industries is very different than anything else that is out there.
We created a tool that goes beyond daily rental and touches every aspect of the claim, from first notice of loss all the way to repair and the close of repair.
Entegral offers a lot of the data insights from its network management application to make real-time decisions more intelligently about which services to offer at first notice of loss.
The network management customers are organizations that have networks of partners that they work with sometimes on a daily basis. And the network management platform enables those organizations to establish, maintain, and continuously improve the relationships that they have with those partners.
And the information that gets stored in network management can be operationalized through Smart Locator, which takes the guesswork out of which shops should be recommended at the time of first notice of loss, so that the customer's car can be handled in a safe and proper way.
Entegral allows the insurance company and the customer to pick the best shop for the quality repair for their type of vehicle.
We have a world-class software that's been tested internally, been vetted by large insurance partners, manufacturers, and body shop groups. We develop our work in an agile fashion that is very customer collaborative, and I think all of those create an incredibly valuable experience for our customers when they use Entegral.